Luminary Laser professional laser equipment manufacturer and distributor, specializing in metal processing solutions. H-beam laser cutting machine, a versatile machine for high efficiency. Designed specifically for processing steel structures. Flat slope, angle groove one-step forming, 3-second high-speed punching, far more efficient than traditional processes. Easily cut H-beam, channel steel, angle steel, square tube, round tube, flat plate. Equipped with advanced CNC system, supporting intelligent typesetting and automatic edge finding. Save investment in multiple equipment. One machine covers multiple processes. Cutting, drilling, beveling, marking, and cutting are all covered. High strength and high precision bed, stable and durable with strong load-bearing capacity. High speed and high efficiency, fast cutting speed greatly improves production efficiency. From H-beams to slab bevels, everything is under control. The cuts are smooth and clean without burrs and do not require any secondary processing. We have companies and professional technical teams in both Mexico and the United States. Choosing us means not only choosing equipment, but also choosing professional and responsive local service.